Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the beautiful session of Robothrone 2.0 web development course, and this is the day 5. We have already covered from day 1 to day 4, and this session is all about JavaScript functions. The JavaScript is mainly the brain of the HTML page, where HTML is the skeleton system of the web page, and the CSS that we have already covered in past classes, that it is the presentation. Like, to beautify the web page we will use CSS, and to build a web page we will use HTML. So a HTML has so many elements like P elements, H1 elements, and other elements. The JavaScript is used for to interact these elements with the HTML page. Inside the HTML page, we will decide, or we will read about it, how to use the JavaScript functions, basic syntax, and environment setup for the JavaScript. Okay, mainly the introduction of JavaScript started in 1995. The main thing is developed in just 10 days. Okay, in 2009 a Node.js version of engine is released. It is the main JavaScript execution inside a server. Okay. In 2015, uh, they introduce two variables like let and constant. What are variables? Variables are nothing but a container type element who, uh, who contains some data inside the code. Okay. Then in this present scenario, the JavaScript is being used by 98% of all websites globally. Next, move on to how to attach JavaScript to HTML5. As you know, HTML is a skeleton content, and we have already read about the CSS like internal, external CSS. Like that, we can attach a JavaScript also as internal script or external script. To use internal script, we will directly write some JavaScript codes like this line. We have to write some JavaScript code and place this code inside a script tag, and this script tag is inside a body tag of HTML page. So how to do this? Before, we have to start our local server. As you know, in day 2 or something, we have already covered how to install the server. I am here starting the server by clicking the Apache start button. It will start the server on port 80. Just simply minimize it. Copy all this. Copy it. Sorry, I have to share my screen first. Okay. So I have already started my server. The server is running, and I have to open my editor. Like, I am using Notepad++. I have to create a new folder or directory that is for day 5. Okay, just simply paste the copied cell, and inside this you have to save it first. For this you have to click on save button. It will ask where to save this file. Just move on to local disk C, then go to XAMPP, search for XAMPP directory. Inside XAMPP you have to go to htdocs. Then from day 1 to day 5 we are using web underscore dev directory as our project directory, so just choose it and create a new folder and name it as day 5. Then inside day 5 you have to write like js demo, or you can rename it as index. Then simply choose hypertext markup language file. It will save it as index.html inside d5. So save it. It has already saved. So just access this web page by visiting your web browser and click on a new tab. Just I have already, my local server is running, so I will start it by typing localhost a / then your path, that is my path is web underscore dev day 5 day 5. No need to write this, only write localhost / web underscore dev / day 5. I have a file placed like I have to visit XAMPP, then go to htdocs, then go to web underscore dev, then day 5. I have a index file. If I have a file named as index.html, it will auto redirect it to the first page of the document. Like if I will visit this in day 5 directory, the day 5 directory has already index.html, so no need to write like this index.html. It is also correct way, but no need to write. If I will press it and visit the site, it is saying me that localhost says welcome to JavaScript. It is a JavaScript line of code that we have just write inside the wrote inside the notepad ++ editor. Simply click OK. It will show you some contents inside the web page, like hello world is the content, and if you erase it and just click on it, it will also give the same web page like index.html. But for other web pages or name, you have to write over here to access those websites. Okay, it is likely showing that welcome to JavaScript. Then just go to editor. Here you have to declare the doc type, then language is English. In head section we have a title that is internal script example, or you can change it as your wish. Then inside body part I have a h1 tag, and the h1 tag is hello world. Then after h1 tag I have a script tag. This is basically a JavaScript file. Okay, and this is inside the body part, so it is called as internal JavaScript file. Okay, it is placed inside the body part or body tag. Okay, here the syntax is you have to write script tag, then your JavaScript code. In this JavaScript code I have a alert function. Inside alert I will write anything, like in this code welcome to JavaScript is the written structure. If I erase it, then I have to write welcome to JavaScript and save it. If I will visit my web page, it will show me a alert before anything like this: welcome to JavaScript. Click OK, it will show you the content. If I will change this content to D5 JavaScript tutorial, so just save it, go to your web browser, just refresh, it will show the first script JavaScript function, then it will show you the contents of the web page. Welcome JavaScript. Whenever I will click OK, it will redirect me and show me the contents like we have just updated to day 5 JavaScript tutorial. Then this is the internal JavaScript. If I want to use external JavaScript file as CSS, no need to write the JavaScript function inside the body part. You have to create another JavaScript file like script.js in root of the document. Like I have the root of the document is day 5, and inside day 5 directory I have index.html. I have to create a external JS file. Like I have to click on file, go to new, and you have to write the script. Like if I have to externally access this, you have to cut this from from the main skeleton structure, then go to your newly created file, then paste it. You have to delete these lines. For external CSS, you have to place only the JavaScript code files like alert and your message. It will alert you with this message. Just save it. Where to save? You have to go to root of the document. Like I have the directory day 5. Choose its JavaScript file. You have to search for this JavaScript file, and here you have to write the same name like script.js file, then save it. It will saved as script.js file. Like I have a but before this I have to call it like attach a code like CSS that you have to attach or update this. Like I am calling this script, and the path of the script is script.js. The name should be same as the file you newly created. Okay, here script.js will be attached whenever the document will load. Then simply save it. Okay, it has only a d5 JavaScript tutorial in h1 tag. Then I am calling a JavaScript file, and the JavaScript file is nothing but it will alert with the message welcome to JavaScript. Then simply go to web browser, then refresh it. It will do the same thing. Like I have just attached a external JavaScript file to my main skeleton or HTML document. Localhost says welcome to the JavaScript. Whenever I will click OK, it will show me the contents of the web page. Like this is a alert function and this is the HTML structure. Like it is a external JavaScript, or you can use internal. When to use internal? If your code is too small, then use internal JavaScript. But if you have a bulk JavaScript files to write, then you will use external CSS for that. Like you will just need to write one sentence like script src, then your JavaScript file path, and inside the script .js you have to write all the JavaScript codes. We will decide it later, or what to write we will decide it. Like go to next variables. Okay, uh, a warning is there, like always place script tag uh, below the body tag, just not to place inside head tag, because uh, if I will place this inside head tag, I have to delete it, then save it. From top to bottom, first it initialize the JS file, and inside JS I have a alert. Okay, then it will alert me first, then it will show me JavaScript tutorial. It will work for this scenario, like refresh it, it will work for this scenario. But whenever I have a code like I have to calculate some, if I will use variables, we will find it later on, like these are the variables. Okay, in this case you have to write the, or you have to call this script tag after uh, bottom of the body tag. Okay, just save it. There is three type of variables are there. Variables are the containers. Inside this container or variable you can store values, like pi has the value this one, max users like this one, app name is this one. You have to store these values inside a variable, and the name of the variable is app name pi max users. This is for constant. Constants are nothing. If once you have declared inside a constant, the variable will not changeable, the value will be remain there. Okay, if you are using let, it is also a data type of declaring variables. The values update over time, like I will update the value later on, like I have a uh, score value, and the data type is let score equal to 0. I can update it to score equal to score plus 10, and I will get my output. Then var is nothing but it is a old one. It is a function based declaration. You do not need to use var, because var has a error functions. It is used inside a function. We will discuss what is function and so on. So simply see this code, copy it, go to file, new, then paste the same. You have to save it. This file is how to save it. We are declaring variables, so let save it and go to day 5, choose JavaScript file and name it as variable. Click on save. Save it, or you can use an separate folder. Like if you have bulk JavaScript files, you can create new folder, then name it as JavaScript. Inside JavaScript you have to place this. But one thing to remember, in index.html file I have accessed the JavaScript files under root of the document like this. So I have to update like I have a JavaScript file variable which is inside JavaScript directory, and the root of the directory is this one, day 5. So go to no day 5, then go to JavaScript and go to variable section. Okay, so in my index.html file I will add a script path, or I have to update the script path because the script.js is not inside our root folder. Like inside day 5 I have no script.js file. I have to update it like I have a JavaScript file and then a script. I am using variables.js, so I have to update this like a forward slash, then the directory name that is called as JavaScript, then simply update to variables, variable or variables, variable.js, variable.js. Just save it. In HTML I have a h1 tag, and the value of the h1 tag is day 5 JavaScript tutorial. So just go to your web browser section, refresh the web browser. Okay, refresh the web browser, just go to variable section. Okay, there is nothing inside this web page because in variable section I have declared a constant variable. The name of the variable is app name is taskmaster, then a constant pi, and the app name is or the value is 3.14. Constant makes user as 100. Then we have a let data type, and the variable name is score, initializes 0. Another let, and the name of the variable is username, and the value is guest. If it is a string type, you have to update like this within single quote or double quote. Then let is logged in is a variable. These let can be changeable, like we will decide it in line number 11. Like score have, now the value stores the value 0. So then if I will update it, that is score equal to the value of score plus 10. So total score is previous score stores as 0. So 0 plus 10 equal to 10, and it will 10 will be stored inside this variable score, and score is data type like let. So let is changeable inside the code, and username is Alice. First username is guest, and second updated username is Alice. Then is logged in is a boolean structure. Boolean is nothing but either true or false. So is logged in we have initialized as false, but we have to update it like is logged in, this is equal to true. Then we are just console.log means console.log app name. So app name is taskmaster. Okay, app name is taskmaster. We cannot change it. Then console.log user is username. So my first username is guest, and I have just updated my guest to Alice. So Alice is being stored inside username. So the console will be show the Alice as username, score as 10, and logged in as true. So just save all this index.html, save it, just refresh your web browser, refresh it. Nothing happened because I have to get these values Alice, 10 inside a console. So to get the console you have to press the F12 key in your web browser keyboard, or you can just simply visit option key, then view page source or something else. Okay, or you can use inspect. Not view page source, you have to click inspect. In inspect you have to go to console. In console it is showing that the server responded with status 404 variable.js not found. Okay, we have to simply visit our this and I am writing capital J. Instead of capital J, I have to write small j, because I have a directory named as small JavaScript. Okay, you have to type it very carefully. The same name will be accessible. Like small JavaScript directory has the variable.js. So you have to just write a small JavaScript, or you can just update it and save the same. Refresh the browser. Localhost JavaScript variable. Okay, 404 is not found because day 5 has no JavaScript. So you have to go to delete this forward slash, because the forward slash is taking from web development, and inside web development we have no JavaScript files. So just save it, control S, save it, refresh the browser. So in console we have already get app name is taskmaster. I have to yes, app name is variable, app name is our constant taskmaster. We are getting it. Okay, then username, we have a console dot log app name is taskmaster, and username is what we have updated to Alice. So we have get the same value over here. Then score is 10 and logged in as true. If I will update it to false and just save it and visit my web browser, just refresh it, you will get logged in as false. So this is all about JavaScript and how to get or pass the variables, store store to show the variables inside web browser. Then if you want to show the same inside the web page structure, you can also show that. You have to create another object class, so we will discuss it later. Then simply go to next, data types. Okay, data types are like string, number, like integer, decimal. Boolean values are nothing but true or false. Array is a kind of structure, it will store so many values. Array can store string values like red, green, blue, and this is a object student, and the student have the name type is Rahul, age value is 20, grade is A. We can declare the data types like this. Okay, then accessing array items, console.log, we have to copy it first, copy this whole structure and just go to editor, create a new file and paste all this, just save the same, and we are inside JavaScript. We have to choose JavaScript file, then name it as data types, just save it. This is another JavaScript file, and we have to update the same inside index HTML. Like I will delete this. Okay, leave it, and we have to update our data types .js, because I have to access my script tags inside this, or I can call all the scripts like copy it, then paste the same, and inside JS file I have a script.js, variable.js. I have to update this file as script, okay, in small letters, script .js variable.js. Just save it. It will externally access all these files from the JavaScript directory. Simply go to your web browser, refresh the web browser, you will see welcome to JavaScript from script.js. After that, these are the next script files, like it has a value or content is day 5 JavaScript tutorial. Here from variable.js you will get app name as taskmaster, user Alice, score 10 and logged in as false. In data type, this is the values from the data type scripts. Okay, this is the values from data type. If I want to get only my data types.js, I have to simply update my index.html as I have to omit this, like delete all this and save the same. I will just access my data types .js script from index.html or from JavaScript directory. In this, all this above like app name, user will not show inside console. Like if I will just refresh, it will omit, because I have no scripts for variable and script.js. I have only a JavaScript file, that is data types.js inside HTML. So inside this data type .js, we have declared a constant greeting as hello world, then constant year as 2026, price is 99.99, is active is true, then color says red, green and blue. A student, having the student is the object, and these are the values for the students. We are just displaying inside the console that colors dot 0 and console log colors dot 2. So and another console log is student dot name, because student is the object and name is Rahul. If I will change it to okay, what are those 0 then 2? 0 are the index numbers, like red is placed under 0, green is 1, then blue is 2, and so on. If I will place another value like white, I have to place it inside single quote and write white. Okay, so white is placed under 0 1 2 3. If I have to access white, then I will write here 3. Then if I have to access blue or green, I have to access green, then simply count 0 1. I have to update this 1. In console it will show me the white, first white, then blue. If I will I have to access the grade, then you have to just update name as grade. Okay, just save it, refresh the browser, we will see white, green and A, as you see here. If you want to then copy it, then paste the same and just write name, then again paste it as, then save it. It will give you the name, age and grade in console. Just refresh the browser. As you see, name is Rahul, age is 20 and grade is A. So if you want, then you can create p tags to show these values inside our website also. We will discuss it later. Next is functions, parameters and browser. Functions are nothing but it is a pre-built defined functions, like we have written a code and it will give me the same kind of works or task over time. We have to call it with the name only. So if I will copy all this and go to my editor, just create new file, then paste it, save it as JavaScript file, and you have to choose the same JavaScript file and name it as function, then save it. I have, you should update the same. Okay, then function is our file name, just save it. Inside function I have to write first function, then function name is greet. We are passing a variable that is name. It will return some value. The function always returns some values. Okay, so return value is hello, then a name variable plus welcome to our website. So I have to declare the name inside a variable, because variables are storing some data and the data is here Rahul, Priya and so on. So our we have to declare let message1 is we have to call our greet function. Okay, the name of the function is greet. Then the variable we are sending is Rahul. So Rahul will be called as hello Rahul, welcome to our website. For second, let message 2 is greet Priya. In this scenario, the same returning value is hello Priya, welcome to our website. So we are just see the messages inside console. So we have to write console.log message1. Message1 is storing what? It will call the function first, that is greet. It will search for the function greet, and we are passing the name. Name is Rahul. So here the message 1 stores hello Rahul, welcome to our website. Then message 2 stores hello Priya, welcome to our website. Okay, this is our values. Then I have another function, and the name of the function is calculator BMI, and we are passing weight and height. For a single variable, I have to write simply the name of the variable, and if we are using these are nothing but not the variables, these are the parameters. Okay, we have to pass some parameters inside a function. This function like calculate BMI is weight and height parameters. So if we have so many or more than one parameters, then I will use between comma separator, like weight is the first parameter, comma height is the second parameter. Then constant BMI will be calculated as weight divided by height into height. Okay, this is the our mathematical calculation, and written the same like BMI to be fixed to 2. That is if my result value more than 2 decimal places, I have to round it to 2. If I will update it to 3, it will show me the 3 decimal places. And I have another variable my BMI. Okay, then calculate BMI is the function name. It will calculate, that is weight is 70 because the first parameter is weight and the first parameter value is 70. Second parameter value is height, that is 1.75. Console.log, we have to write your BMI is comma my BMI, and my BMI is being stored the value calculated from the function calculate BMI. Like from we will see the result. Then I have constant at equals to a comma b and a arrow marked value, then a plus b. In this scenario, it will add the a and b. Then constant double is num is the number variable. We will just multiply it to 2, like console.log add have to function, that is a plus b, that will add 5 comma 3 gives output as 8. If I will change it, then it will also change the result. Double is nothing but you have to just multiply the number value, that is 7 into 2. It will give you the output as 14. Save it and visit the web page. Refresh the web browser. It will show you hello Rahul, welcome to our site. As Rahul, we are passing Rahul as the parameter. Rahul is the parameter, like hello Rahul message 1. Then message 2 is we are passing Priya as our parameter. So hello Priya, welcome to our website. Okay, then your BMI is being calculated by this is your BMI is my BMI. My BMI is what it will store. It will search for calculate BMI function, and the function is written as here, that is we have to pass two parameters, weight and height, and the weight value is 70 comma 1.75. okay, the BMI is calculated by weight divided by height into height. okay, written like this. If I will update it to 3 or 1, 3 or 1, see 12.86. if I have updated this into 3 and save it, just go to my website and refresh my web browser, it will show me as the 3 decimal places. If I will update it to 1, Control S, and refresh my web browser, it will show me 1 decimal places. Then if I will change my number 5 to 9, then 3 to 14, it will show me 423. okay, and if I will update this to 10, it will show me 10 into 2. Num is 10, so num is 10 plus into 2 equal to 20. So I will get 23 in 8 and 20 in 14. Just refresh my browser and see what happened. Sorry, I have to save it first. okay, save it and go to your web browser, refresh the same. You will get 23 and 20 as you have written inside, or update these values inside the JavaScript function. Then simply go to, there are so many browser events are there, like for a button we can click it or double click, mouse a hover, or we hover or place the mouse cursor over the button, it is mouse over, then key down, key up, if we have to press any keys, and the same will be reflect inside web browser, we can do it. Then a submit, input, and a scroll events are there. okay, DOM selection and event handling, what is this? For this you have to copy, just copy it from this, copy it, go to web browser, inside HTML page you have to update it and paste the same. okay, inside body tag I have a button, and the button ID is my button, and the value is click me. okay, I have another p element, the ID is output, waiting for click, and the script is not function, I have to add this function, this script, copy it, create another new file, paste the same, and save it as DOM, and the JavaScript file, so I have to choose JavaScript file, DOM dot JavaScript file, I have to choose inside my JavaScript file, so save it. In JavaScript DOM.js, I have already declared that is constant data type, and the value of the variable is btn. Document is nothing but it is the whole web page structure. From that, from the whole web page structure, it will get a element by id. okay, and the id name is my button. As you know, here is the my button id, and the value is click me, it is a button. So just go to web browser, refresh the same web browser. okay, I have to save. okay, I have to save the dom.js or index.html, save it, go to web browser, refresh the same. It has a button because the button is placed inside the web page. From this, inside body tag, it has a button and the ID is my button. The value is click me. So you are seeing like this, it has a button and the value of the button is click me. Then after that, I have a paragraph element waiting for click. This is the paragraph part waiting for click, and I will just access or import my JavaScript from this script tag, and I have to update this as dom.js. Save it, refresh the web browser, and then go to JavaScript file. What will happen if event listener is click, not the double click? If click, a function will call out, and inside function I have a line of codes that is output text content is button was clicked. Output text content is what? Button was clicked. Output text style color is green. Then output dot style dot font weight is bold. If click is happened to button, then it will just update the text as button was clicked, and the font color is green and bold. Let's see inside a browser. Just refresh the browser and click on it. Single click, it will show you button was clicked with green and bold text. Then what about background color switcher? Okay, they just copy it, copy, then go to file, new, and paste it. Okay, sorry, I have copy the text. This is the inline CSS, so no need to go to new one. Just simply no, and go to index HTML and paste the same inside this. Okay, save it. Our index.html has a script tag that is called inline JavaScript file. We have to add before the closing body tag, and inside this HTML skeleton I have a title color switcher. Then I have a style format like font family is Arial sans serif, text align is center, margin top should be 50 pixel. What is margin? Margin is nothing but outside space between the border. Then transition background for 3 seconds. Button is like these values we have already decided in our last class how to write it and what are those. Then in body tag, it has a h1 or heading tag that is the value of page color switcher. A button, the ID of the button is button red. Second one has the button green, button blue, and button reset. These are only the contents or skeletons of the inside the web page. The main thing is the script tag. Inside script, we have to declare constant button rate, and button rate is nothing but document dot get element by id button red, and button red is the first button, that is red one. For second, we have to store the second is constant button green equals to document dot get element by id button green, then for third, then for fourth. This is for button reset. Then we have to change, how to change is button red dot add event listener. If I will click on red one, button red, that is this, we have already stored it. If I will click on it, it will do that document dot body. So the body is likely whitish in nature, but it will change it to background color of this value. Then if I will click on button green, it will change the background body color to this one. If I will change or click the button blue, then it will change the body's background color to this value. And if I will press the reset button, it will again coming back to white. Just save it, refresh the web page. You will see this is the h1 tag. Then these are 4 buttons like red, green, blue, reset. Okay, these are the scripts that will do this kind of jobs. Then simply go to next. DOM manipulation. If I have id, then I will just get element by id. If I have to access class, then I will write query selector dot class. Then query selector all is dot class. Like, what are the difference between this? If you are writing only query selector, it will find the first class and apply the same style to the first element only. If you have to write query selector all, then for all the classes named as class, it will apply all the CSS properties. Get element by class name CLS, or get element by tag also. If you can write it. Then this is a part, like I have to copy it. It has a constant header, document dot get element by main header. Then fire card is query selector card. Then this is the constant all cards. This is the first card and this is the all cards. Like, you have to write document dot query selector for the first card or the beginning card, and document dot query selector all for the all cards present inside the document or web page. Then you have to write all cards dot for each function. Like, if there are so many cards, for each card it will update the property like card dot style dot border should be 2 pixel solid blue. Then dynamic type, like text content, inner HTML, set attributes, class list dot add, remove, toggle, style dot property. These are all the JavaScript attributes. Then content and style manipulation. I have a constant title and document dot get element by id, that is page title. Page title should be stored inside title, and inside box you have a query selector info box. Title dot text, this is called welcome student. Box dot inner HTML is this is only just I will copy it. Go to your editor, create another file, paste it and save it. Inside JavaScript you have to choose JavaScript file, and here you have to name as DOM selector, save it, go to index.html, and from this you have to delete it, and here you have to write script src equal to I have JavaScript, then a forward slash, then you have to write DOM selector dot js, and you have to close the same script tag. That's it. Save the same, refresh the browser, close it, refresh the browser. It will show nothing because we have not created main, header, card and all this, card and all this. So I have to present. So let us create our main header as id. Inside my index.html I have to create a div, that is id is equals to main selector. Okay, main header, copy, paste it, main header, and close the div, and inside the div I have a p. Okay, just remove the id from the div, control x, paste it inside p element. Inside p you can write d5 JavaScript, then you have to close the p element or p tag, save it. Inside script, in header I have to store the document dot header, like inside header I will store my p element. Okay, and inside p element I have a value day5 JavaScript. What it will do then, I have to place another p of class equals to card, and the value of the card is tutorial. I have to close the p tag also. Then just copy, paste the same, and date is 27/07/2026. Today's date is 25. Okay, just save it. Go to DOM selector. Here first card is query selector dot card. First you have to write the same function over here. Then these are for two different p's. P, like for query selector it will choose first p element. If query selector all, it will choose all p elements of class card. This is the main. You have to copy it, update the same, and go to update the DOM selector dot js. Save it. Then simply go to a browser, refresh the same. Okay, this is the day 5 JavaScript, and here you are using main header. Okay, main header, you are not doing here anything. So this is the first query selector, and this is for all query selector. So if I will comment it out, that is the first card, and for each card this is, and just save it, go to a browser, refresh it. It will give me 2 pixel solid blue inside this class, same classes. If I will uncomment it and comment the third one, card dot style dot border is this one. I have to copy. After this I have to cut it, copy it. After this I have to paste the same, and also I have to comment it out. So just delete it. Okay, then simply save it, go to refresh the web browser. It will show nothing. Then I have a constant box type document dot page title. Box is this one, and title is welcome student. Box dot inner HTML, this one. Okay, I will also create a web page from JavaScript. Like I have to name it as dynamic content. So go to file, new, paste it, and save it as dynamic content, and you have to choose JavaScript file and save it. Go to index.html, delete all these values. I have to just call the script file, and the name of the script file is dynamic content dynamic content. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Dynamic content, dynamic content. Just save it and go to your web browser, refresh the web browser, and inside this dynamic content you have to get the page title. Okay, the title of the page is page title. Just go to this one, just control Z. Okay, here we can change our dynamic id. Here, page title, I have to copy it, then inside this, inside index.html, I have to change the PID to page title. Then go to dynamic content, and this is for box, and the class is info box. Copy it, just change it to this one, and just copy the same, update the same to this. Refresh the web browser, dynamic content, I have already refreshed it. Then title.text content is that is title.text content is welcome student. I have to update the same, that is JavaScript. Okay, leave it. Then inner HTML content should be, this is the italicized by JavaScript, or you have to delete all these contents, like we have deleted. I have nothing inside my p element, but I have a id. Then I have nothing inside this and this. Just save it. I have to update the dynamic content dot js over here. Save it. Okay, then refresh the web browser. It will show you welcome student. This is utilized by JavaScript. I have nothing inside my id, page title and class, but it will recreate from the JavaScript file. Like inside title it will store welcome student, and inside box it will store this value, and the title color is this one, font size this, and text and alignment is center. If I will change something over here, that is RIGST right, then I will create it to 50 and this color to red. Just save it, go to your web browser, and the welcome student will be shown to the right side of the web page. I have just updated here. Okay, then control Z. Okay, just save it, go to a browser, refresh it. Then I have this is a counter application. In counter application I have a style of this, like body have this one, count displays this, button is this. Inside body I have a div element, that is h1 value is counter app. I have h2 of id is count display, 3 buttons, decrease button, reset button, increase button, and I have a script counter.js. I have to create counter.js. Before, I have to copy and go to my editor. Inside HTML dot I have to paste the same. Just save it. Go to the counter.js file, copy it, and create new file like counter.js. You have to save it, save inside the JavaScript, and rename it to counter, and select the file type is JavaScript file. Just save this and refresh your web browser. You will see decrease, reset, increase. Go to your counter.js. I have a four constant data types, that is for display, decrease button, reset button, and increase button. These are the buttons. Okay, this is the display, this is for decrease button, this is for reset and increase. And how to access it? For display, document dot get element by id. Is count display. So inside my, I have to delete this. Okay, go to index. I have a id, that is count display. Okay, after counter app, I have a h2 heading, that is 0, and the value of the 0 is id is count display. Okay, then go to counter.js. It will store over here. Then document dot get element by id is decrease button. Go to HTML5. The id is decrease button, and the value is decrease, and the third one is your reset button, fourth one is your increase button. Okay, inside counter.js, a function named as update display, that is display dot text count is equal to count. We have to initialize count as 0. Before any execution, I will store a 0 value to count variable. Then I will choose like if count greater than 0, display color is what? Green. Else if count less than 0, display style color is red. Else if the counter is 0, then it will display as black. Then event listener, how to event? Increase button. What is increase button? This is the increase button id. Increase button dot add event, if click on increase button, count is 0, so it will store 0 plus 1 equal to what? 1. If another click event is there, then already I have 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then update the display. The function update display is here. It will check whether count value, then how to display, whether to green, red or black. It will automatically fetch and display inside the web app. Just refresh it. If I will press decrease, so go to counter.js, inside index.html. Okay, sorry, I have to give the correct path, that is JavaScript class. Inside my JavaScript, I have the counter.js. So save it, go to web browser and decrease it. If value less than 0, if my value is less than 0, it will update the display as red. If my reset, if value is 0, then it will show me as black. If I will increase, it will give it as green. Okay, just move on to next one. uh, so dark mode theme switcher. If I have to change my color of the web page, so this is a web app, and it is mainly using right now the white theme, or it is not using the dark theme. If I want a dark theme, I will how to use it. This is the complete example. I have to copy this and go to my editor. Inside index HTML, I will paste the same. Inside this, I have a style format. This inside body tag, I have a h1 tag, a button, a div class element. The class of the element is card, and it has a s3 and p tag, a script, that is theme button is document.theme toggle. Then theme button, if click on it, then document.body is dark mode. Okay, if document.body class list contains dark mode, then switch to light mode, else switch to dark mode. Okay, then just save it, go to a browser. I have nothing to do with external JavaScript. Here I have a internal JavaScript over here. From this to this internal JavaScript, if I want the external JavaScript, then cut it from this and update the same. Like I have to write the same, that is script src equals to, within single quote you have to write JavaScript is my document path. Inside JavaScript, I will I have theme selector dot js file. Just simply close the bracket, and you have to close your script tag also. Okay, just simply save it, create a new file for the theme changer. You have to paste it, you have to remove this script tag and save the same as inside JavaScript. You have to choose where is JavaScript, you have to choose JavaScript, and here you have to write theme selector dot js file. Save it. Okay, theme selector dot js file. Just go to index file and theme selector dot js file. Go to web page, refresh the same. This is a white background. If I will choose, it will change me into dark one. If I will click on it again, it will give me the white one. Okay, from this, if you are using external CSS, and the uh, external JavaScript file name is theme selector dot js. Then paragraph font sizer and random hex color. Just copy all this, copy it inside HTML, or I can create another one, paste the same. it has a script tag inside the where is the script tag? Just save it first, then we will find it. You have to send it, save it as hypertext markup language file, because and name it as what paragraph, paragraph font. Okay, paragraph dot html, save it. Okay, in paragraph html you have a style, and inside body you have a div, then a p class. This is for paragraph 1, and a script tag. Okay, this is the script tag, and this one is your end script. You have to like this constant paragraph. Under paragraphs variable, we are going to update query selector all, that is content text. You have to find it, content text. This is the p class content text, and this is the p, another p class content text. Then you have to end this or close this brackets, p tags. Okay, then this is the script. It has the for each paragraph style font size is size. You have to uh, go to size, then a function that is get random rex colors. It has, these are the JavaScript codes. You have to see this and just go through it. Just save it and visit the web page. So remember, I have a d5, I have a inside. Okay, cut it from this, and inside d5 you have to place it paragraph.html. So whenever you visit d5, as you see, d5 has two HTML files, that is index1. If I will click on it directly on d5, it will show me the index.html. Okay, to access paragraph.html you have to write paragraph or the name of the file dot html, then click, it will show you the paragraph. Small font controls like these are the fonts. If I will need small, medium or large, generate random background colors. Why it is not okay, editor, no. Inside d5 I have a paragraph html. This is the button, button id, beer tag, button id is random colors, p class is this one. I have to write this, then in function I will save it. P style is font size. Whenever click on font size to 12 button, Okay, refresh the browser, click on this. I have to visit my code first. Just look at the code. Body, controls, buttons, paragraph. Then it is a button class. Okay, then paragraph, class 1, class 2, text contents. Then I have a script tag, that is constant paragraphs, this one. Function, and this is the function. And for small button, p12, 12, 16, 12. Okay. Oh, I need to save it first. Save it. That is, the file name is paragraph.html. Visit the same site, refresh it, click on small. It will give a 12 pixel paragraphs, medium and large. Okay, this is for today's session. We have already covered what is JavaScript and how to insert, use inline or internal JavaScript, external JavaScript. Thank you for attending this session. Thank you very much, and bye all.